How to enable or disable call hang up, Hi Siri Hang Up on the iPhone 16 series.
There's nobody calling.
First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Siri. Next, we scroll down, and at the bottom here, tap on Call Hang Up. And in here, tap on Call Hang Up toggle button to turn it off or switch on Call Hang Up. And when you turn it on, you can say, Hi Siri, hang up. And I said,
There's nobody calling right now.
And I said this feature is supported during phone and FaceTime calls. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.